Galaxy, and today we're playing the normal elevator. Now let's get started. Well, it's a really fun game, and it has all these traits that makes changes to your body. Let's see what's sorry. This is a stage I have been here before, and it's pretty cool. But we didn't have time on it. Well, it's pretty fun. Now we're just waiting for big cheese and a big head. And a person, I don't know. Some chubby person. I know how to turn into a banana. Oh.
If you are hearing this right now, it seems that the elevator has broke. Please remain calm and stay away from the back wall.
Why?
The elevator will be back in service shortly.
That loud. Oh, why did the lights go out? Oh. No, they got away. No. No, it fell.
You remind me of my Beamer. A lot of trunk space, the perfect two-seater.
Wow.
Got a lot of drive, I'm trying to keep up.
I want
But it's
that.
not a lot of
I can
miles
do
on
it,
your
but
meter.
maybe later.
You remind me of my Beamer. See your
Yeah,
ignition,
later.
baby girl, I'm trying to key up. And your headlights are off, I'm trying to see 'em. But it's not a lot of miles on your.
Oh, the toilet one. Oh, this is the toilet one. This is pretty fun. Oh! Look at everyone go to the... And look at the slime. Well, let's go. Wow. I landed at the toilet. Oh. Well, that didn't work out. I landed in the toilet. That's pretty sad. Oh, I love this one. I love this one. Yes. No! I want to be in it. Go. I'm thinking like the girl on the left. The girl in front of. I think she's gonna win. I know she is. No, there's someone, the middle guy. Congratulations to him. I really love those events. They're so cool. Next. Loud. That was loud. What's next? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, it all up.
Everyone in the elevator, freeze, right now. If you take one step up the elevator, we will literally laser you into a piece of ham and explode your oofing head. We are not here to mess around. We are here to catch a criminal. Now, has anyone seen this person?
Let me be.
That's them. You are now under our custody. We will make sure you never see a loved one or feel loved ever again in your life.
No.
Alright boys, let's head back to the base.
Oh no. Come back here. No fair. That isn't fair at all. Yeah. Wally. Well, now what stage is going to be next? What for? Or what stage, however we say it. Oh, the Jason one. Yeah, no thank you. I don't want that one. But just imagine camping and that happens to you. Pretty creepy, huh? Whoa! It killed 2 people. 1, 2. Wow, that's pretty shocking. Bye-bye. I nearly seen it. The outside of the elevator. Oh, I want to see it.
Old Godzilla was hopping around Tokyo City like a big playground when suddenly Batman burst from the shade and hit Godzilla with a bat grenade. Godzilla got pissed and began to attack.
What's next?
But didn't
I
expect
hope
to
it's
be
something
blocked by
good.
Shaq, who proceeded to open up
Something
Caddyshack.
good, like
When Harry
speedrun?
Carter
Oh, now the cows. This is just some random stage that we just push cows over into the ground. I have no idea why this stage was created, but I love it. Cows kissing. No online dating. Online dating? No online dating or else. Don't online date, guys. Yes, I'm telling you, don't online date because you never know who's behind the screen. You never know who's behind the screen. And yes, I'm telling the truth and I'm being serious. You never know who's behind the screen. Okay, now next one. I hope it's a good one. I hope it is a good one, please. What's next? Oh, it's the Kool-Aid Man. I know it already. I've experienced this a lot of times. Kool-Aid Man, come here. Oh, there he is. Even though you just appear out of nowhere, I still love your drinks. Oh. Sorry.
Well, here we are again. It's always such a pleasure.
No,
Remember when you
sorry.
tried to kill me twice? Oh, how we
Okay,
laughed and
please.
laughed.
This time I'm being
Except
serious. I
wasn't
want a good one.
laughing under
Oh,
the surface.
it's just oh, it's the dinosaur one. I don't want to be eaten. Go in the back if you do not want to be eaten. So I'm going to stop. I do not want to be eaten. I am not delicious. I am definitely not delicious. Don't eat me. Don't eat anyone. You're not a vampire. Whoa. Oh no, she got caught. Whoa, bye. Please be a good one. Please be a good one. Please, a good one. Next one is oh, the dancing guy. I mean the dance party, I guess. Well, hello, pumpkin guy. You will probably be taken away by the dinosaur. Oh, you fell down. Rip. Well, when I once played this game, I played this game, I saw that guy, and he was right here, and he got taken away by the dinosaur. That was shocking. Oh yes, this is a useful one. This one is a good one. Oh, sorry. Wow, who's gonna win? Who's going to win? Tornado. What's next? Oh, what's that? Rock slider. What rock slider? Thunderbolt. It's like Pokemon, but the Pokemons, like the little animals, are actually Roblox players and fake humans. Look, the Big Cheese and Corona 97 are hanging out, chilling in the side of the elevator. Also, me, yeah, they probably don't want to chill out with me. Okay, what's next? Oh yes, this is one. I love this one. This one is another useful one. This one is an actual good one. Not something bad. It's just no offense to the other stages. Nor the person who created the stages. Okay. Whenever I do this, I normally make it. But this one, I don't make it because yeah, I'm bad at it. But I never ever did that much attempts. Finally, I hope I make it this time. I don't. Oh, no! Oh no, I don't have time. I didn't get a cookie today. No, I want cookie. I love cookies so much. They're so good. But today I didn't have a chance. The cookie said, not a chance, and not today because you ate too much of me. Now I don't want you because you're not gonna let others eat the cookie. Yeah. Oh no, not the puking guy. Uh-oh. There's puke all over the people. Even the pumpkin guy. Sorry for the notifications. Oh, almost everyone in the server got
du soleil vert,
sorry for that. Almost everyone
des
got puke
photos
all
de
over
bord de
them.
mer,
Almost everyone in the server is back for this.
dans mon jardin d'hiver.
In this,
Je voudrais de la
and also
lumière,
me.
comme un
Well, now,
nouvel
what's next?
Angleterre.
Oh, now the cats one. This is another
Cat,
good
I'm a
one.
kitty cat, and I dance, 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 and I dance, dance, dance. Cat, I'm a kitty cat,
What is the
and I dance, 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 and I
what
dance,
is the
dance, dance. Cat,
background
I'm a kitty cat, and I dance, 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 and I dance, dance, dance. Cat, I'm a kitty cat, and I dance, 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 and I dance, dance, dance. Cat, I'm a kitty cat, and I dance, 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 and I dance, dance, dance. Cat, I'm a kitty cat, and I dance, 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 and I dance, dance, dance. Birds really want it to birds sing. Birds really want it to birds sing. Cat, I'm a kitty cat, and I'm yum yum yum.
It's pretty loud. But now let's do it. Go. Cocoa Krispies. Just eat them like hours ago. Okay, what's next? Oh, like the Ariana Grande music video. Yeah, we did it. magical. Even though we are not. Walking upside down. The other side of the elevator. Let me out. Lights. I feel magical whenever I'm on this. Oh no. The thing is stuck. Reset. He really said, I'm trying to alive and yeah. Okay, now what's next? Must be a good one. But all stages are good. I don't know why. But still they're good. No, I hate this one. No, not this one. This one's annoying. Well, rip the big trees. Oh, also, where did the pumpkin guy and where did Corona go? Where did Corona go and where did the pumpkin guy go? No, oh! Go! Whoa. Already dead? Okay, at least it ended. Well, they got back. Wait, did it move by itself? Well, we should put it in the sides just to protect it because, yeah. There. Much more better. Much protected. Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, we're gonna get squished. We are going to get squished. Oh no. No, we're going to die. Imagine if... Never mind. No, 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 no. Whoa, 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 whoa. Everyone's... Oh. Well, now, let's just do more
Chocolate rain. Some stay dry and others feel the pain. Chocolate rain. A baby born will die before the sin. Chocolate rain.
Okay.
The school books.
Oh, not the Slenderman one. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I don't like this one. Oh, sorry, sister, sorry. Whoa! That scares me. That scares me. That's so... Wait, do people actually hear me? Oh, not this one. No. Okay, we finally got back. That was so bad. Because that noise why am I done? Oh my god, I don't know what that thing is called, but wow, scary. Well, that's it for the video. I hope you have a great day. Bye.